Hello, my name is
Lion.
Lion.
Hello, Lion. What book is it?
Tiger is scaredy cat. Listen carefully.
All right.
Tiger is strong.
Is
Tiger
it small or
is
big?
big.
Mhm.
Tiger is strong.
Right.
But tiger is scared of the dog.
Oh yeah. Tiger is he brave?
No brain.
No. Okay.
He is scared of trucks.
Yes, he's scared of trucks.
He is scared of the vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
Tiger is even scared of the dark. He is scared of the mice.
Yes.
What a scaredy cat.
Right.
Well, I want to go home, cries baby mouse. Do not cry, I will help you.
Yes, I will help you.
Tiger has to go buy a truck. He has to buy a dog.
Go buy a dog.
He has to
Go.
vacuum cleaner.
Go buy a.
Go buy a vacuum cleaner. He has to go
Down the
down the
dark stairs.
What a scaredy cat.
Eh? Tiger was a scaredy cat in the end?
What a
Scaredy cat or brave cat?
brave cat.
Yes, Tiger is. Thank you. You say bye-bye.
Bye.